Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down very most important topic BMR batch manufacturing record. If you are working in pharmaceutical production department or you want to enter in production department then this video is for you. Let's start. What is BMR? BMR stands for Batch Manufacturing Record. It is document that contains the complete manufacturing history of the pharmaceutical batch, from raw material to the final product. Think of it as a receipt book, but extremely detailed, strictly controlled, and legally binding. Purpose of BMR. The main purpose of BMR is to ensure that every batch of medicine is manufactured in a consistent, safe, and traceable way. It is a core part of good manufacturing practice and is a legal requirement in regulated environments. It helps in ensuring product quality and safety, enabling traceability in case of any issues, supporting regulatory compliance, allowing batch release and review by quality assurance. What does a BMR contain? A batch manufacturing record includes detailed information such as product name and batch number, manufacturing date and expiry date, list of raw material used, equipment and area used, step-by-step manufacturing process, in-process checks and results, deviation if any, operator signature and supervisory approvals, yield calculation, final product testing and QA approval. Every activity from weighing raw material to packaging must be recorded with time, date and initials. Why is BMR important in pharma? Because pharma is all about safety, consistency, and trust. One small error in manufacturing can cause a major health risk or even regulatory penalties. Without a proper BMR, a batch cannot be released for sale. And in case of any market complaint, this document becomes the first things investigator checks. Who prepare and review the BMR? Prepared by production operators and officers, review by quality assurance, approved by head of quality and production. Each entry must be made in real time. No backdating or overwriting is allowed. BMR in digital era, which growing technology. Many pharma companies are switching to eBMR, electronic batch manufacturing record. These are easier to manage, reduce human error, and allow for real-time data capture. Common mistakes to avoid in BMR. Here are a few things to keep in mind when filling out a BMR. Don't leave blank fields. Don't use correction fuel. Always draw a single line and sign if you make an error. Record entries immediately after performing the task. I have also shared with you a sample BMR format to help you to understand how it's look like and how to fill it step by step. Let's start. There is a product name, document number, batch number, effective date, batch size, page number, and supersede number. In product name, your product name. For reference, I mentioned it placebo. There is a location, block, all product information we have to kept here. Label clip, manufacturing license number, product license number, shelf life, MFR number, manufacturing date, expiry date, PMR issued number, and party. There is a issue by, stem and sign. Then prepare by, check by, and approved by. In second page, there is a master formula, which raw material we use and in which quantity. There is an ingredient. Spec means it's follow IP, BP or USP, quantity in mg per tablet, then standard quantity for 1 lakh in kgs. Then in third page, there is a general instructions. Current version of SOPs should be referred during operation. Dispense raw material, bulk, blend, compressed tablet should be manufactured and stored at temperature not exceeding 27 degrees Celsius and average not more than 55%. All processing activities, nose mask, hand gloves, secondary gown, etc. shall be weared by the personnel. Attach all dispensing tags and cleaning status label with BMR.
Clean the equipment after use as per the standard operating procedures. The blend should be compressed within 15 days. The compressed tablets should be packed within 13 days. Line clearance and dispensing. Check the instruction given below and note the observation as yes, no, or any. There is an instruction and you have to mention yes, no, any. Most often we have to write yes because it's complies in all parameter. There is a differential pressure across RLF and room between 5 to 15 pascals. Check by and verify sign. Then bill of raw materials. There is a which raw material active in inactive raw material we use. We have to mention here quantity, then AR number, gross weight, tare weight, net weight. Check by and verify by. Then weight verification sheet. It's the same. All API's name, spec, standard quantity, AR number, growth weight, check by and verify by. Then again, it's a line clearance for granulation. We have to mention, you have to write yes or no, check by and verify by. Then equipment status checklist, which equipment we have to use in this tablet manufacturing. There is a mention, sifter, octagonal blender, balance, SS scoop. We have to mention equipment ID, then yes or no, it's clean or dry, then check by and verify. Sifting, in sifting, which material we use in which sieve size, then check by, then manufacturing process. Also mention equipment ID, from to means which time you started and which time you finished, done by, check by. Then granule weighting record, how much granule weight, tare weight, net weight, done by and checked by. Then calculation formula. Then compression in line clearance, we have to verify this step, yes or no, check by verify. Then process, how to process step by step. Observation, we have to write, check by and verify. There is a die and punch verification, which punch and die we have to use. There is a punch number, upper punches and lower punches. Also verify by, check by. Also check by and verify by. Then in process checks, description, weight of 20 tablet, average weight, uniformity weight, thickness, hardness, friability, DT, diameter, temperature, and RH. Okay, in every step we have to check 30 minutes every 2 hours. Then there is a in-process observation sheet for production. There is a weight of 20 tablets, date, time, LHS, RHS. LHS means left-handed side, RHS means right-handed side. So we have to check tablets both sides. Then thickness, friability, hardness, DT, appearance, temperature, RH, and then by. Then weight variation of 20 tablets. So we have to check 20 tablet weight variation, minimum weight, maximum weight, and check by. Then in process observation sheet for IPQA. So in IPQA there is another sheets. They also checked all things. Then tablet weighting record, gross weight, tare weight, net weight, all things. Then sampling, then yield calculation, then final review batch card on shop floor. Any deviation, if there is anything happen, then we have to mention, take a deviation, and we have to mention this. You have to know about how to write and review the manufacturing record.
If you found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe to Pharma by Seiji. Thanks for watching. See you next time. In Pharma, every record matters.